Manually managing and configuring your monitoring workflows can be a time-consuming task. Manual approach simply is not feasible if we're managing an environment comprised of tens or even hundreds of thousands of endpoints. At this point, implementing a proper automation logic becomes an essential task. Zabbix low-level discovery features provide a variety of approaches for automated resource discovery and consistent management. Throughout the course, you will practice configuring low-level discovery for a variety of endpoints, from servers to network devices, databases, and even applications. By the end of the course, you will have mastered Zabbix low-level discovery features and learned how to design your monitoring workflows with automation and consistency in mind.